Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, this is the Digital Asset Investor. Oh, first I wanted to show you guys that I asked some people on Twitter yesterday if they could, or maybe in one of my videos, I asked if they could show me some screenshots from the DX exchange, because this exchange I don't have access to, and it's in Estonia, and they're using, apparently it's using NASDAQ software, and so I wanted to get a look at it. And so we got this. Let me give some credit here. This is from BlueNet Crypto, at BlueNet Gaming, who puts out some information in the crypto community. I think XRP. I think that's an XRP guy. But anyway, puts out this screenshot here, and this is interesting to take a look at. You can see some of their trading pairs: BTC, Ethereum, USDT. I think that's it. I can't tell if that says USD, but not important. What I wanted to show you more than anything was this right here. This is the first time, I believe, that I have seen in any of these exchanges any kind of indicators or any kind of information that is being given to investors that resembles what you see when you log into a traditional brokerage account, like on a Schwab or an E-Trade type place. They give you on those platforms, and I've been saying this for a while, that all of this will go in the direction, these analysts will be analyzing all these digital assets, and they will be rating them and telling you whether it's a strong buy. That's where all this will eventually go. And so this is the first of that type of thing that I've seen. They're showing you what the news sentiment is and the media buzz, and because they're using this NASDAQ model, so you can see very clearly where this is going to go. Down here at the bottom, they I guess they use the blue stock price. This is for XRP, so it says bullish news, bearish news, neutral news. And they tell you how many articles have been written, good, bad, and otherwise. That's really interesting, and eventually you're going to be you'll see it'll be strong buys, or it'll have an analyst rating section in these. I mean, they're going to model this exactly after stocks in the stock market. Moving along, this is pretty profound tweet here yesterday that I retweeted this. Coinbase, Ethereum Classic chain attacked, $450,000 in crypto double spent. Say whatever you will about XRP, Ripple, but wouldn't have happened on Ripple. This is a growing problem. Suppose it's survival of the fittest. And I've told you on this channel for a long time that there's only one proof of work digital asset that I will go anywhere near, and that I own one Bitcoin. And I will say this over and over. I only own that Bitcoin because it was the first, and because there's a tiny amount of them, and because they seem to be the Wall Street darling that they're gonna go forward with. That's the only reason. I don't want to invest in any other proof of work digital assets. It's an imperfect technology, and XRP is the correct technology, and that's very clear. I invest in digital assets that are not proof of work. Simple as that. This is from Kraken. So he mentioned Coinbase, that Coinbase stopped trading it. Kraken has Ethereum Classic funding has been disabled due to the ongoing 51% attack on the network. Funding will be resumed when the network's health has stabilized. Trading continues for now. Follow the incident here. But this is getting to be a big problem. Who's going to buy that? Who's going to buy that when this kind of stuff's going on? Who's going to buy anything proof of work when this kind of thing's going on? And now it's starting to hit the mainstream news. This is NBC News. A major cryptocurrency exchange says that it has suspended movement of widely known cryptocurrency token Ethereum Classic after it detected a potential attack on the digital coin's underlying technology. That is not good, folks. Not good. It's really not good for crypto, period, because this could cause a lot of selling to go on, and the way this goes for now has been going. Or this could be a great thing for XRP. This could be the moment that we really get separation and from all of these lesser digital assets. There's a reason I keep saying XRP is the greatest digital asset ever created. Moving along, and this came out, I think this was from today, or no, a couple of days ago, but I missed it. And this came from Ripple Ninja, who, it's Ripple Ninja 1. Fed Faster Payments Task Force gives Ripple vote of confidence for next gen. And this is from Ripple Insights. And more or less that they were involved. Ripple's been involved in the federal, the Faster Payments Task Force for a couple of years, or since 2015. And this is what I wanted to read to you. They're talking about what's next. They're talking about the interledger protocol is what's important. The task force belief in multi-provider market as evidenced by interledger protocol, which is designed to provide technical interoperability across networks and providers. And then here is what Ripple says they're going to be working on. Within the emerging technology and cross-border work streams announced, Ripple plans to focus on how the use of digital assets like XRP can enable a new paradigm of liquidity and capital efficiency. This work stream provides the perfect venue to educate the market and serve as a catalyst for broader adoption of digital assets. Pretty interesting stuff, people. Pretty interesting stuff. XRP is big, very big. And finally, I wanted to show you, we are beginning to see, I showed you some of this yesterday, but we are beginning to see, I keep telling you, you're about to see crypto and digital assets come into the pop culture. When you start seeing advertisements on the sides of buses and you start seeing the commercials and the different things, this is the beginning of this. And I don't think it's a coincidence that Gemini is doing this now. I think they're doing it as we head into 2019 with Bakkt coming and Fidelity Digital Assets and some of these. And here's another example that, I told you that Ledger came out with their Nano X. Well, now they've created a commercial. This is a really professionally done, nice commercial. Who knows where you'll see this commercial in the coming weeks and months. Very interesting things going on. I'm the digital asset investor. I'm not an investment advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please subscribe and hit the like button and tell your friends and family that digital assets are entering the pop culture. Thank you for listening.